Got to change the weather. You can see it outside now. September nearly. Getting colder. Anyway, guys, welcome to your 21st tutorial on PHP, and in here we're going to look at the for loop. Okay, so we have an array. Right, I'm giving it this variable name sArray is equal to array. And there's the names I put inside. So it's just an array is just a list of the same type of information you can store. It's just an easy way of doing it, right? And this is my loop for each loop. Okay, so what I'm saying here is, in this variable of this array which holds this information, I want to iterate over it, but I can use whatever variable and name I like here. So I'm just going to call it sname because obviously I've got names here, but you can call it variable Donald Duck, whatever you want. It makes no odds. Then you go echo out your condition, put your dots here each side of your variable name that your iteration through, and put a break. If you don't put a break in, it's all going to be in one line going across. You won't have a clue what you're looking at. Don't forget your dots after your variable. And don't forget to leave spaces here. Otherwise, if you don't leave the space with your quotation, it's all going to be stuck together. So if we run that, this is what we get here. Okay, there it is there. We're going to refresh that to show you again, just to show you that it is running. And there you go, that's what you get. So it's iterating over each one of these. These are the names of the list: Mark, Kevin, Sarah, Jane, and Sean. Okay, so that's your for each loop. Again, you put your variable in here, right? You give it a new variable name here. So you're saying is, for each item of this array, run it through this name and print it out each time, and there you have it here. Okay, thanks for joining me in that one. Go through that yourself, have a look at it, and I'll catch you number 22. Take care.